Hello class, today I'm going to be showing you how to do zeros on your calculator. I understand there was some confusion on this and I just wanted to clear it up before the test tomorrow. So here we go. Alright, so if we go up to our y equals here and plug in a simple cubic function like x cubed minus 3x plus 1 and go to the graph, just wait for this to graph, we get a nice cubic function like this. Now we can see that it hits the x-axis, which is what we're trying to find. It hits it here and here and here. So, well, how do we find this? Well, let's go, let's press second and go to calculate right here. Calculate or trace. And you want to go to 0. After you go to 0, you want to, this little cursor pops up and it follows the line and it says left bound. So basically, you just want to put this to the left of the, the 0 you're trying to find. We'll find this one here first. So we move this cursor over to the left, and we can, once it's right here, we just press enter and it puts a little marker there. Now we can go up to the right of it. Let's go right here. We press enter because it says right bound. And now it says guess, so we can move this pretty close to our guess. Let's just guess right about here for the 0. And once we press enter, it'll calculate the exact 0, well, in decimal form anyway, which is in this case negative 1.8793 and all that. Okay, well that's one. So let's do it again with the other two. Let's go to second, trace, go to 0. Okay, let's solve for this one right here. So we go left bound right here. Can move this down here for right bound. And then to guess, we can just move it right over here, right by the 0, press enter. All right, and there we go. We have the second one, 0.347, something like that. All right, and now for the last one, second calculate 0. Left bound, we can just put it right here. Right bound, we go up to here, just whatever's a right. It doesn't matter how far you go as long as it's a right of the 0. And then you want to move down and guess right about here. And there you go, 1.5322 or 1.5320. All right, well, that was I think it's pretty simple. There was some confusion on this. I hope this cleared it up. It's pretty simple. But yeah, hope this helped, and good luck tomorrow. See you guys.